Hey crafty cuties, welcome back to Paper Terrace. If you're new, my name is Jessica. Okay, I know that I have already done a video kind of explaining my Advent boxes, but now that they are all shipped and on their way to so many people, thank you so much for selling out. I just wanted to kind of open up my box, explain it a little bit more, and we'll look through my journal, and I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for selling out my journal packs this year. I know that they sold out last year too, but this year I made more available because I wanted anyone who wanted one to be able to get one. Now also I have 3 boxes still available, and I have them up for like a discounted price. Those ones do not come with a journal, but I will be including, I have like the journal covers already made up, and I'm just going to toss those into the last 3. But I wanted to just mention it. So if you're wondering how are they sold out if I have 3 extra, well, when I'm making up collections like these, I'm making lots of prototypes and kind of practicing before I get to the real deal. And so I always have tons of leftovers, and that same thing happens with my Patreon packs. And then I also like to have some extras on hand just in case something breaks or, you know, this and that. So I just wanted to explain that. But they come in a box like this, at least all of them. And you know what's funny is you should get a little note that tells you what day to start opening, which would be December 13th, if you want to open one item up every day leading up to Christmas. But I sent a bunch out, and then I panicked because I forgot to put this in a handful of them, and I feel so bad. But I think majority of the people know how they work, so at least it's better that that's what I forgot over like one of the items. Then you get your journal, and I did obviously hand select my own, but there were, I think, 4 different fabric prints. I mean, I've been talking about this a ton in the last month, so majority of you probably already know, and I'll actually show you my journal real quick here. It's just gonna be a little mini journal, and they are like a plush journal. You'll have some type of bohemian trim that I got from India from Boho Needs. This is so cute. And then they all have a closure with my favorite crinkle seam binding. And then they're pretty plain on the inside. Some of the inside covers might just be one plain color because I am going to assume you'll want to customize yourself. Or at least I do. So I kept the pages pretty basic, but also Christmas themed. I did not do any pockets. I did maybe in some of them I did a fold up like you see here, but I just didn't even want to include pockets because last year I felt like it got in the way. So just very basic pages, but enough for you to do a layout every day. You'll even have a couple extra pages where if you wanted to do a couple layouts like on both pages, you should be able to do that at least a couple of the days, or I don't know, you'll have to kind of plan it out, you know, accordingly, of course, but there's at least 1 full page for each day of the 12 days of Christmas. In the basics pack, you are going to get all kinds of goodies that let's just open mine up actually. I was so excited to share my favorite glues, and I hope these bottles work out great. I tested them out a couple times, but only with the Tombow, and I thought it worked great. And you can scan the QR codes to see where I get them on Amazon if you wanted. So you get Tombow Mono Aqua, and then you get my favorite white PVA glue. Of course, it's just a little sample, but I thought it was enough for everyone to be able to, you know, try it out. Now these are going to vary pretty widely. Everyone will get the glue, but other than that, everything else is going to be a little bit different. Crinkled seam binding in a variety of colors, maybe a doily or some type of textile. You'll get some kind of like metal embellishments. For mine, I got a little label and one of these little ring fasteners. You'll probably get some type of like a vintage card, postcard, book page, stickers. Now, a lot of the packs actually got like a full pack of stickers. I just had put the leftovers in mine. Envelope. This is just a piece of cardstock to kind of hold everything nicely. Some type of Christmas napkin for like decoupaging. You get some plain papers. Again, if you wanted, you know, you needed like some extra paper for a page or whatever. I had to include my favorite envelopes, and I get so many questions. People love these, so I included one for every pack. And then, yeah, again, just some basic papers. Some little journal cards, a red little envelope. And then in here, I put some lace, and I put my favorite Velcro, and a little bit of cheesecloth. I feel like it's nice, even if you have a little bit on hand for embellishments. And then I gave you, like, I think about 4 of my absolute favorite Velcro dots. It's only 4, but again, these are just ways for you to try out my favorites, and definitely more than enough for this journaling session. Then you will get your 12 individually wrapped surprises. And each of these at least includes one handmade item that is like Christmassy themed. The whole point is that every day you open one up and you can do a layout in your journal. I like to do creative journaling, and I am, as of now, planning to put videos up where I will show you me opening one up and then doing the layout. But along with the handmade items and the, the handmade items and the Christmas theme, I also included a couple just like either vintage items or things that were not necessarily Christmas, so that you can just put it in your stash if you want, or you can use it for this journaling session. Some you can see through a little bit, but you know, it's still quite a surprise, I think. I tried not to seal mine because I knew I would be doing videos with them. I mean, I know you guys know this, but I put so much love and energy into these. Number 12, that's a fun one. And then I love that I was able to this year include a little drawstring bag. And everyone got the pink version, even if you got one of the Tim Holtz Holly fabric. I actually purchased some burlap bags that were like a red Christmassy plaid, but they were the wrong size, and I didn't even check them until the day I was packing, and I was so sad. But luckily I had enough of these for everyone that was getting a journal. Sorry, I should say everyone that was getting a journal got the bag. That was kind of a journal portion of it. And then, so those are, you open one up every day, 12 days of Christmas. And then if you want on Christmas, you will get a gift. And I'm really excited about this too. And I'm not going to open it up right now, but I will open it up for you on, you know, I'll have a video up Christmas Day. So again, I just wanted to do a little show and tell, and just make sure to say thank you so much for your support, your love, and everything that you guys do. And I'm going to throw in a little surprise giveaway right here. I know that this will get to you late because I have to have time for the giveaway and stuff, but I'm going to pick a winner tomorrow. So you have 24 hours to enter this giveaway, and you will get a box just like you saw here, but it will not have the journal and it won't have the bag. A few of the items might be a little, they might slightly vary, but again, that's, you know, whatever. So yes, you'll be getting it later than December 13th, but maybe you can just open it all up at once if you want. So all you have to do is, this is for my YouTube members. I want to make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Just leave me a comment down below. Any comment will be perfectly fine for the entry. I want to be able to get a hold of you very quickly so I can get your address. So please let me know. If you have an Instagram handle, please leave that in your comment. If you don't have Instagram, I guess let me know the best way that I can get in touch with you, because otherwise that's going to delay this getting to you. I want to ship it out immediately. So if you don't have an Instagram, I guess let me know maybe if you have a TikTok, or if if you want me to contact you through like email, I'm not asking you to leave your email address on here. Just, you know, be on the lookout, I suppose, if you are hoping to win, because I'm going to make sure to put a video and a post up of the winner tomorrow, 24 hours from now. Okay? Good luck to you guys. I also surprisingly sent, not surprisingly for me, but I sent out 2 surprise boxes to Patreon members. They don't know it. It's coming your way. And I'm really, really excited for you to get that surprise in the mail. And that's it. I love you guys. Thank you for everything you do. And goodbye.